In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay at a store with PayPal in 2025. With the rapid advancement of digital payments, using PayPal for in-store purchases has become more seamless than ever. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can confidently use PayPal the next time you're out shopping. First, let's make sure you have everything set up correctly on your mobile device. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Once there, search for the PayPal app if it's not installed yet and download it. Having the app is essential because it will serve as your hub for managing payments and transactions on the go. Now that you have the PayPal app installed, the next crucial step is configuring your payment methods within the app. Open the app and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the payment methods section. Here you'll find all the options available for linking payment methods to your PayPal account, allowing you to choose the most convenient one for your needs. To be able to make payments in stores, you'll need to link your PayPal account to an active payment method. In most cases, linking your bank account or credit card is the best option, as it ensures you have a backup in case your PayPal balance runs low. Look for the section that allows you to add a new method and select Add PayPal. This action connects your PayPal app to your payment options, enabling you to make seamless transactions when you're out shopping. With your payment methods all set, let's turn our attention to how you actually make a payment in the store. When you're ready to pay, simply open the PayPal app on your phone and ensure it's connected to the internet. You may need to log in again for security reasons. Head to the checkout counter and inform the cashier you'd like to pay using PayPal. At this point, there are usually a couple of ways the transaction might proceed. In most modern stores, you'll find a QR code at the point of sale. In that case, tap on the scan option in your PayPal app, position your phone's camera over the QR code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Alternatively, if there's a contactless option available, you may simply need to select the contactless payment option in the app and hold your phone near the payment terminal just as you would with a standard contactless card transaction. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy the convenience of using PayPal for your in-store purchases. Remember to check the transaction summary on your app after payment to ensure everything went through smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with PayPal.